The world of web development is in a constant state of evolution. As technologies advance and user expectations change, developers need to stay ahead of the curve to create cutting-edge websites and applications. In this video, we will explore the future of web development by examining the top predictions and trends shaping the industry. Web development has come a long way since the early days of static HTML pages. Today, websites are dynamic, interactive, and immersive experiences that engage users on multiple devices. With the rapid advancement of technology, it is crucial for web developers to anticipate and adapt to emerging trends to deliver exceptional user experiences. Progressive web apps, or PWAs, are web applications that leverage modern web capabilities to deliver app-like experiences to users. PWAs combine the best of both web and mobile app worlds, providing features such as offline access, push notifications, and seamless installation. As users increasingly rely on their smartphones, PWAs offer a responsive and engaging experience across devices. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have become ubiquitous, revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. With the rise of smart speakers and voice-enabled devices, web developers need to optimize their websites for voice search and commands. Voice user interfaces, or VUI, will play a significant role in the future of web development. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming various industries, and web development is no exception. AI-powered tools and frameworks can automate repetitive tasks, analyze user data for personalization, and optimize website performance. Machine learning algorithms can enhance user experiences by predicting user behavior, recommending relevant content, and providing real-time assistance through chatbots. In an era where mobile devices dominate internet usage, page loading speed is crucial for user satisfaction. Accelerated Mobile Pages, or AMP, is an open-source initiative that aims to create fast-loading web pages for mobile devices. By utilizing streamlined HTML and caching techniques, AMP improves page performance and ensures a seamless browsing experience. Augmented reality, or AR, and virtual reality, or VR, have gained significant traction in recent years, opening new avenues for immersive experiences. Web developers can harness the power of AR and VR technologies to create interactive product visualizations, virtual tours, and gamified user experiences. As the hardware becomes more accessible, Arkansas and VR will become integral components of web development. Responsive design has been a fundamental principle in web development for several years. However, as mobile usage continues to soar, a mobile-first approach has become paramount. Web developers must prioritize designing for mobile devices, ensuring that websites are responsive, intuitive, and optimized for smaller screens. This approach improves user experiences and ensures compatibility across different devices and platforms. With the increasing frequency of cyber threats, web developers must prioritize security in their projects. Implementing robust security measures, such as HTTPS, encryption, and multi-factor authentication, will be crucial to protect user data and maintain trust. Additionally, developers should stay updated on the latest security vulnerabilities and best practices to mitigate potential risks. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is expanding its reach into our daily lives, connecting devices and enabling seamless communication. Web developers will play a vital role in integrating IoT devices with web applications, allowing users to control and monitor connected devices through web interfaces. This integration will create new opportunities for automation, data collection, and personalized experiences. The future of web development is a landscape filled with exciting possibilities and innovations. By embracing these predictions and leveraging emerging technologies, web developers can create user-centric and future-proof web solutions. Stay informed, adapt, and lead the way in this ever-evolving field.